How do you get to Carnegie Hall?
Practice.
What?
Wow, it's a hot day today. I'm trying not to show it, but we've got the air conditioning on and trying to keep cool. This is William here, the Bangkok voice coach, and today I want to talk to you about Luciano Pavarotti. Oh, what a voice. I'm sure you love to sing like Pavarotti. I mean, who wouldn't want to sing like this? Maybe even this. But it's such a perfect, wonderful instrument, and it's so beautifully managed. It's almost like a singing machine. What a lot of people don't know is Pavarotti was not born with the perfect voice. In fact, he struggled for many years and he was a traveling salesman. He sold insurance door to door, and he was about to give up because it was all hopeless. He was trying to work out how his voice, he had struggled to try to find the way to these top notes, which in the end became his calling card and made him, globally famous. Pavarotti built his voice from the ground up, just like you are going to have to. And that means lots of singing in the middle of your voice, the comfortable middle. And that applies to girls too, who all want to jump out and sing high notes. Now remember, say if you're singing a song or an aria or whatever, it probably is 70 to 80% in the middle of your voice, and then you have the occasional phrase where it goes up to a climactic moment and then back again, because the root of your voice, the center of your voice, has to be in the middle. The high notes come from the middle, so that's the first thing we need to accept if we want to be Pavarotti. So that means we have to wake up every day and do exercises for our middle voice. And we also have to sing songs that are in the middle, which means, no, we don't just turn on Nessun Dorma and start singing along, because it's going to be very embarrassing and probably the neighbors are going to complain. What we do is we choose a perfect song, and Pavarotti was very, very happy to sing this song too, because it is perfect for singing every day to keep your voice balanced. Now here's what we'll do. We'll wake up in the morning, we'll say, I'm going to practice now for 40 minutes every day. And that's just saying, hello voice, I'm waking you up. Even Pavarotti did this.
Without make any
and feel the breath. We're on a cushion. We're on a cushion of air. Sing a phrase. Caro mio bene, credimi almen, se ne so di te. And I do feel it is very pingy, but I'm not pushing it. I'm not pressurizing it. I'm not trying to sound like anybody except myself. So I'm just connecting to the air. I lift a little, just that little surprise, because otherwise it can be a little bit flat. You don't want to be flat. Okay, so it's just two things. And in the middle of that comes the vowel. And it's not that dissimilar to where I speak. As you see, I can go from speaking to singing without any adjustment. Pavarotti's middle voice is very much like that. It is on a platform of speech, extremely well supported with absolutely phenomenal breath control and very clear vowels. So let's look at the song. If your dream is to be a great singer, then you have to do what all the great singers have done, which is start at the bottom and build it up. And that means lots of this and none of this. And it also means study. Now, the amount of times that people come along and they say, I'm going to sing this song, and it might actually be in Italian, which is great for singing. The words are all over the place. They're mispronounced. Nobody knows what they're singing, what they mean. The rhythms are wrong in the song. The pitches are wrong. These are fundamental things that need to be right before you start aiming for the skies. So to finish, we're going to sing through together Caro mio ben. It's a little bit lower than Pavarotti's key, and we're going to follow the music and the words carefully. This is William here in Bangkok. Please do leave me some comments or any suggestions, things that come to mind, or drop in email if you like. I'm very open to any kind of interaction. And we live here just near the airport in Bangkok, and this is where I do my teaching. So please do get in touch and look at the other videos. Okay, bye. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedel sospiro a Dio, se avesse crudel tanto rigor, cessa crudel tanto rigor, tanto rigor, caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor.